The ocean. It covers most of our planet, yet remains the least explored region of Earth. We've sent probes farther into deep space than we have into our own seas. Why? Maybe because the ocean isn't just vast, it's unknowable. Tonight, we'll explore 10 mysteries that might change how you see the world beneath the waves. And as always, I want to hear what you think. Could the greatest unknown still be right here beneath our feet? Scientists still can't agree on how Earth got its oceans. Did they arrive from icy comets billions of years ago, colliding with a dry, molten planet? Or did the water rise up from deep within the Earth itself, ancient hydrogen and oxygen trapped during formation? Some researchers believe the truth might be both, that our oceans are partly alien. If that's the case, are we in some way made of the stars? Every drop you drink might once have drifted between worlds. What do you think? Cosmic delivery or something far older, born within the Earth itself? If Earth's oceans might have come from space, maybe they never left it. On Jupiter's moon, Europa, a hidden ocean twice the size of ours lies beneath a crust of ice, an ocean that could host alien life. And farther out, on Saturn's moon, Titan, methane rains from orange skies into seas of liquid gas. It's the kind of ocean that would capture James Cameron's imagination, a world of crushing depths and unearthly beauty, hidden beneath frozen alien ice. Could these alien oceans mirror our own beginnings? If we found something swimming beneath the ice of Europa, would we even recognize it as life? Here on Earth, we've mapped more of Mars than our own seafloor. Only about 20% of the ocean floor has been explored in detail. Think about that. 80% remains unseen. Mountains taller than Everest, trenches deeper than the Grand Canyon, all cloaked in darkness. Why do we know more about the surface of the moon than the bottom of our own planet? What might be hiding in those black waters? A species, a civilization, or something we can't yet define? Every year, scientists discover hundreds of new marine creatures. How many more remain unseen or undiscovered for a reason? In 2014, off the coast of Australia, a tagged great white shark, known to researchers as Shark Alpha, suddenly vanished. Data from the tag told a chilling story. The shark plunged rapidly into the deep, the temperature around the tag spiked, as if it had been swallowed whole. What could consume a 3-meter great white? Another shark? A colossal squid? Or something we've never recorded before? The data felt less like science and more like a warning. As if something massive had risen from the depths, swallowed the shark, and then disappeared without a trace. What do you think devoured Shark Alpha? 250 million years ago, all continents were one, Pangaea, surrounded by a single global ocean called Panthalassa. Imagine standing on a cliff during that time, one endless horizon of water stretching in every direction. What kinds of creatures ruled those ancient waves? Fossils suggest titanic predators like Leadsichthys, sharks longer than buses. Did the ocean back then hum with sounds we no longer hear, vibrations that echoed through time? Sometimes I wonder, could some of that ancient life still exist, hidden in depths we've never seen? In the deepest parts of the ocean, life does something strange. It grows enormous. Giant isopods the size of dinner plates, squids stretching over 40 feet. Scientists call it deep-sea gigantism, but no one truly knows why it happens. Is it because of the cold, the pressure, or a lack of predators? It's like evolution took a different turn in the darkness. Watching footage of these creatures feels like peering into another world. The kind Christopher Nolan might have imagined in Interstellar when they landed on that endless water planet where every wave could crush a mountain. Could these titans be relics of Earth's earliest days, survivors from a time before humans even existed? Long ago, Mars may have looked like Earth, blue skies, rivers, maybe even an ocean covering a third of the planet. Then something happened. The atmosphere thinned, the water vanished. But NASA's rovers have found minerals that only form in liquid water, silent traces of ancient seas. What if, buried beneath the red dust, there's still frozen water or briny pockets of liquid waiting to be found? Could Mars be showing us our own future, a warning that oceans, no matter how vast, don't last forever? Here's something that doesn't sound real. The oceans aren't level. Because of Earth's rotation, our planet bulges slightly at the equator. Water is literally higher there than at the poles. It's strange to imagine that the sea itself isn't flat but curved and warped by invisible forces. Gravity, spin, and heat constantly reshape our world's most basic element. It makes you wonder, if the ocean itself isn't level, what else about our world isn't quite what we think? Beneath miles of Antarctic ice lies a secret world, a network of subglacial lakes sealed off for millions of years. One of them, Lake Vostok, hasn't seen sunlight since before humans existed. Yet scientists have found traces of microbial life there, organisms that somehow survive in complete isolation under pressure so immense it could crush a submarine. Are these microbes ancient survivors from another age, or proof that life can adapt to anything? Some say Antarctica is our best window into Europa, an alien world hiding right here on Earth. In the 1990s, scientists recorded a sound known only as the bloop. It was loud enough to be heard over 5,000 kilometers of ocean. No whale, no machine, and no geological process could explain it. Other signals followed known as Julia and upsweep. Mysterious loud sounds from the ocean fading into static. Scientists have offered theories, shifting ice, undersea quakes, but none fit perfectly. Maybe the truth is that the ocean is speaking in a language we haven't learned to hear. The X-Files once asked, "Do you believe?" Maybe the real question is, are we even ready to know? We've mapped the stars, walked on the moon, and dreamed of reaching Mars. But our greatest mystery might still be the one we sail over every day. What secrets do you think lie in the deep? Tell me your theories below. What do you think about the oceans?